Delighted to get shot of me.
I said that wrong.
Ladies and gentlemen, you're all very welcome to New York JFK. The local time here is approaching 7:10 p.m. For your own comfort, but especially for your safety, please remain in your seats with your seatbelt securely fastened until the aircraft has come to complete stop and the overhead fasten seatbelt sign has been switched off. Please check the seat pockets in front of you for any personal belongings. Do take particular care when opening overhead bins. And items may have become displaced throughout the flight and could fall out, causing injury to you or to a fellow passenger. We'll have uniformed ground staff here moving the aircraft. They'll be happy to assist you with any further queries you may have. On behalf of the captain and all the crew, Aer Lingus and United Airlines, we'd like to thank you for flying with us today. It's a pleasure looking after you. We look forward to seeing you on board again in the future. When booking, we'd ask that you check out our website, aerlingus.com, for the cheapest Aer Lingus fares, deals and car hire returns, hotel accommodation, and travel insurance. Shamrock aboard the Fiat, the Linea News, so we can give it checked out of half an hour. So, Agus Banach, live to learn. Thank you and good evening.